Welcome back to another video, traveler. In this video, we're taking you to the city of San Diego, California to share with you Old Town San Diego State Historic Park. Known as the birthplace of San Diego and just minutes from downtown, is a preserved representation of a mix of Mexican and American history and culture, which in our opinion is a special place and a highly recommended stop on your next visit to the city. We begin our tour checking out our favorite part of Old Town, and that is the Old Town Market. Shops that fill an entire corner of the park, rich in Hispanic culture, can be viewed at your pleasure. Walking around to check out all the goods for sale is a fun way to start your adventure around Old Town. In an opposite corner of the park, you can indulge in some fine Mexican cuisine or have a cocktail or two. Next up are the historical buildings and shop that make up most of the state park. We made our way past a few of these shops in what felt like we were in an old Western movie. There are fun, interactive experiences and museums which are fun for everyone of all ages to enjoy. Old Town even has haunted tour attractions for those who dare, available after dark though. We want to thank you for touring Old Town State Historic Park in San Diego with us. We hope you enjoyed this content. For more information about this location and any other location we have visited, head over to our website. Let us know in the comments below about what you think about this historic park. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.